Okay, teeth. So I use the same porcelain that I use for the jugs themselves. What I do is I just kind of manipulate them to a little cone. Let's get a little closer for this. Okay, a little cone. I press, I feed back, and then I press in the tip, and then maybe curve it a little bit. I like the front teeth. I'll make it a little thinner, but press, bend in, and then squeeze the tip. Press, squeeze in, for molars, I just little ball, you know, see, shorter, press, squeeze in, and press in the tip, and give it a little curve. Okay, and then for canines, it's just a cone with a rounded bottom, and I try and get them as sharp as I can on the top there. I make a whole variety of different sizes, but there's the cone, and press in the tip, fold back, press in, and then again. Once in a while I see these guys, guys, gals, whatever, and I don't get this one. They'll do that, I guess, and then they go like this. That is not a tooth. Yeah, that just looks dumb. I mean, what in the hell is that? I mean, so once again, making the little cone, just like that. Press in, press back, squeeze in the tip, and bend. Do it a few more times here. I know I'm gonna need, two smaller ones. Smaller than that even. This one's too big. Okay, gonna try smaller. Okay, cone, pinch in, back, squeeze, bend. Okay, the smaller one. I know I need 4 of these for that jug. But just to repeat, cone, press in the tip, back, push in, and curve. Cone, press the tip, back, squeeze the tip, bend. A little bit more. Cone, tip, back in, squeeze, bend. We've been needing these fairly quickly. I want to get the teeth into that piece, so once again, good old I'm going to turn the flame down fairly low, because it's doing a quick drying like this. You don't want to give it too much heat, because these things they'll start exploding if you heat them up too fast. I can probably show you on one. Okay, on this one you'll hear it. You hear that popping away there? That's what happens if you heat it up too fast. I mean, it's just exploding. That's the water, I suppose, to the boiling point, and it's got to go somewhere. So it's the same thing with kilns. When you put a piece in the kiln and you bring up the temperature too fast, this is always, no matter, unless you live in some desert area, there's always going to be some moisture in the raw clay. And as if you bring up the temperature fast, that moisture inside's got to go somewhere. And so if you bring up the bring up the temperature fast, it's going to go poo. It's going to explode. So I went too far again there. But that's what happens in the kiln when there's that myth of a lot of people would hear in grade school, the little kiddie in kindergarten makes a little ceramic piece and it explodes, and the teacher says, you didn't get all the air bubbles out. And it's like, no, teacher, you brought up the temperature too fast. I've done pieces that were 4 inches thick, and as long as you bring up the temperature slow, it's not going to explode. It's just time. So, okay, these are dry enough. Usually I'll make them in advance, which I've got my little tray here, and as you can see, got these are predominantly canines, molars, and I've got some of the longer teeth for for the front, which you'll see in a little while here.